Greetings, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of recycling old bicycle parts, where discarded gears, chains, and frames find new life as innovative creations. Join us as we explore the art of repurposing, transforming rusty relics into functional and stylish treasures. Have you ever wondered what happens to those worn-out bicycles that have seen countless adventures? Well, today we are diving into the exciting world of DIY recycling, where creativity meets sustainability. Let's kick off our journey by reimagining one of the most iconic bicycle components, wheels. Discarded rims and spokes can be transformed into unique home decor, like walnut or a stylish clock. These circular patterns create a visually appealing and dynamic focal point in any room. The possibilities are endless when you look at old bicycle wheels, not just as functional parts, but as potential canvases for your artistic expression. Now, let's paddle our way into the realm of creativity. Bicycle chains, with their intricate links, become the building blocks for stunning jewelry. Bracelets, earrings, and even stylish keychains can be crafted from these durable components, adding a touch of bike-inspired passion to your ensemble. It's a unique way to carry a piece of your cycling passion wherever you go. The gears that once powered your bike can now power your creativity. Upcycling old bicycle gears into functional items like coasters or clock faces adds an industrial and mechanical touch to your home decor. The intricate patterns of gears create a sense of order and symmetry that's both eye-catching and practical. It's amazing how something as small as a gear can become a meaningful part of your daily life in a new and unexpected way. The heart of any bicycle, its frame, can undergo a remarkable transformation. Turn an old bicycle frame into a stylish bookshelf or a unique wine rack, adding an industrial and vintage vibe to your living space. The sleek lines and sturdy structure of the frame make for a functional and visually appealing piece of furniture. With a bit of creativity and elbow grease, you can turn a forgotten frame into a conversation starter. As we conclude our journey through the world of DIY recycling with old bicycle parts, we hope you feel inspired to dust off those forgotten wheels, chains, and frames and embark on your own creative adventure. Pedal your way to a more sustainable and imaginative world. Until next time, happy crafting!